Okay, this is the hole that has been drilled, and I wanted to show you the fit of the ring. Fits very well, not much slop at all in its fit, a little bit of movement. I went ahead and marked with a Sharpie fine tip all of the holes in the general location. I do want to orient one hole at the top, one hole at the bottom, and I'll show you why in a minute. The screws are going to be number 8, which is, they fit very snugly into 5/32, but they'll also go in 11/64 and as big as 3/16, although there is a little bit of room there. Probably as small as 9/64, but it would be a fairly tight fit. So we're going to start out with a 5/32 drill bit and drill that one, position one, lock it in place just to make sure everything holds. Then kind of work our way around, hopefully. But what I might do is drill this one, drill that one, and then work it in a star-shaped pattern. Once I marked the hole with the, once I marked one screw hole with the Sharpie, I used a very sharp punch. Well, it's not a punch, it's a point. The sharpest I could find, although you could probably use a nail or any other sharp, really sharp objects to indent this. That'll just make it a little bit easier to locate it with the drill bit, and hopefully it won't try to wobble or walk on the surface of the plastic. So we'll go ahead and drill that hole, and then we'll go from there. I do and will have shots of the inside of the kayak looking forward and the inside looking backwards, and there's quite a bit of space in there. So be with you in a minute.